So now let's see how we can utilize the guided puzzle effect inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So to do that, you can go around over here onto the guided option right here. And once you go around onto the guided option, here you can see puzzle effect is an option. If I were to go around and click right here, then what happens is that I get the option to choose the type of puzzle that I want to apply onto the image. So if I were to go around and click on small right here, then what happens is that small puzzle will be selected, and you can go around select medium or large over here as well. Once you click, what happens is that it does take a bit of time to time for it to get applied right here. You can go around onto large over here as well, and large puzzle blocks will be applied. Then you can go around and select puzzle pieces right here according to how I like right here. So you can go around and select by using the magic selection tool right here, just like that. And you can extract out the piece over here and place it wherever you want. So it is as simple as that. You can select the puzzle piece right here, and let's say you want to change around this puzzle piece. You can extract it, and then you can see the puzzle piece gets out right here. And you can even go around and rotate it out, as you can see, by using the move tool. You can go around right here just like this and then apply it out. So you can go around, select out more piece right here, press the check mark button right here to check it, and you can select out and so forth, as you can see. So now you can go around onto the eraser tool and erase out different parts of the image over here as well, if you want to, just like this, and so that you just have these type of effects right here, just like that. And you can bring out more puzzle pieces right here, select out puzzle piece right here, extract out the piece, and then let's say, for example, keep it somewhere else right here and so forth, just like that. And that is how you can use the guided puzzle effect option inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.